Hello everyone, now I will show you how to install our Alron POS system in offline with XAMPP server. To install this, you have to first install XAMPP software and then you have to start XAMPP server. To start XAMPP server, you have to go XAMPP control panel like XAMPP. Here is fine, XAMPP control panel, and you have to start Apache and MySQL, and then you have to go your browser, and here you will write localhost and /phpMyAdmin and hit enter. Here you can see phpMyAdmin dashboard and click on new the left sidebar, and you can find this a form. Here database name, input a name, POS like POS I input to create a new database, and click on create, and look, our new database is created. And then you have to go input because we are inputting a new database from our selected file. To input new database, here look, see, choose a file, have to click, and this POS v3.sql file located. Here is this main file in desktop. I already copy this for v3. This is only so go to choose file and select POS v3.sql and open, and here you see enable foreign key checks is have to uncheck, then click on go, and this database is inputted at a moment, and for this some time you have to wait. I pause this video for some times, and I see the database is importing. No problem, this is running inputting. Look, our database is inputted. Now I will go to the desktop where I paste my main file here, and POS v3 zip file is have to copy and go to our htdocs folder where I install my XAMPP software. I install XAMPP software in my iDrive academic folder iDrive, and open this drive and go to XAMPP folder and htdocs folder. Here I have to paste this POS v3.zip file and have to extract here. Extract very quickly is extracted. Still now the file is extracting, and look, extracting is completed. Here our extracted file POS v3. Open this folder and go to .env file and edit with any text editor like Sublime. I will open this Sublime text editor, and here you look, database name, here input our new database name which we are created already, POS, and our XAMPP server username is root and password is blank. and Ctrl S save for Ctrl S. Then have to go our browser and open new tab, and here input local host / our project folder pos underscore b3, then / then have to input public and then enter, and you look our application dashboard is running. At first, when you enter this, you have to go to login form and have to input ID and password, but in here not showing this because we are recently log this application in this PC. For this, don't show me login form and redirect the dashboard. And if you do not show .env file, you have to go view and options and change folder and search option and click view tab, and here look and hide extension for known file types is unchecked, then apply, then OK. Now you can see .env file and open this any text editor, Notepad or Sublime text editor. Thank you for see this.